Shilin Getson of DOT, Governor Melesio Go of Marinduque Province, Mayor Sanen Nivelo Jr., represented by the Municipal Administrators Ms. Sara J. Piedragosa of Magpog, Marinduque, Mayor Marisa Red Martinez, represented by Councilor Naradine Dulnuan of Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Mayor James Marty Lim of Gasan, Acting Mayor Edmar Frias of Torrijos, and on behalf of Mayor Arnie Carion, Administrator Carlo Felizardo Jacinto of Boang, Marinduque, Councilor Francis Jacinto, the provincial and municipal tourism officers of Marinduque, the regional line agencies directors and representatives, and our valued tour operators and Shorex handlers, members of media and content creators, Ms. Lily Labosada of DOT, Office of Product Development, of course my former boss, former Regional Director of DOT Mimaropa, Sir Dan Intong, tourism stakeholders, partners, guests, and ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. First of all, thank you very much for joining us and for spending the next few days with us here in Marinduque. So I know that many of you have traveled from different places, adjust your schedules, or even set aside other commitments to be part of this caravan. On behalf of our Regional Director of DOT Mimaropa, Director Roberto P. Alapoto III, maraming salamat po sa oras at suporta. So today is special because this is the very first day of Parinina Marinduque Cultural Development Caravan. So for the first time, we have brought together tour operators, shore excursion handlers, media and content creators, regional line agencies, tourism officers from other provinces and cities of Mimaropa. A special shout out po sa ating provincial and tourism officers naman po ng Marinduque. Okay. To our tourism stakeholders, we have only one common objective for this caravan: to discover, experience, and help tell the story of Marinduque. So when people hear the word Marinduque, ano po agad yung naiisip? Correct. So Moriones po, and while we are very proud of this iconic tradition, we believe that Marinduque has many more stories waiting to be discovered. So over the next few days, we will visit heritage houses, churches, museum, weaving communities, artisan, farm, cultural sites, and local enterprises. But more importantly, you will meet the people behind these places. The people who continue to preserve and share the culture, traditions, and identity of Marinduque. Because tourism, at its heart, is about people. Attractions may draw visitors to a destination, but it is the stories, traditions, and genuine hospitality of local communities that create meaningful and lasting experiences. To our tour operators and short excursion handlers, we hope this caravan will allow you to see new opportunities and new experiences that can be offered to your clients and guests. So we hope that when you leave Marinduque, you will bring home not only photos and memories, but also ideas, partnerships, and perhaps future tour packages that will encourage more travelers to visit this beautiful island province. To our media friends, influencers, and government partners, thank you for helping destinations like Marinduque to expand market reach. Through your stories and platforms, you help inspire people to travel, discover, and appreciate the richness of our culture and heritage. So encourage po ang lahat to immerse yourselves with the people, and you may ask questions, exchange ideas, and enjoy every moment of this journey. So maraming salamat po, and we hope you enjoy your stay here in Marinduque. Thank you.